Hello, Atomians! My name is Jane Hariol Manarinya, Diamond Master and Centerhead from Muntinlupa Chongchun Center. Are you all happy to be here today? Yes, di ba? So kahit bumabagyo, nasan kayo? Nandito kayo. Di ba? So dapat hindi po natin pinapalampas ang ating mga seminars kasi dyan po tayo natututo, hindi po ba? The seminar you miss might be the seminar that you need. Kaya promise ba, Atomians, hindi kayo a-absent sa seminars? Yes, okay. So let's take note of that, yung mga sponsors. Pwede bang makita ko yung mga kamay ng mga new attendees? Taas ang kamay? O, di ba? Madami. Okay, so palakpakan natin sila. Okay, so everybody, I will request you, taas ang kanang kamay. Everybody, your right hand, ipatong sa katabi ninyo sa kanan, sa kanilang balikat. Sabihin mo sa kanila, buti na lang nandito ka. O, taas naman yung kaliwang kamay naman. Ipatong sa balikat ng katabi nyo sa kaliwa. Okay, sabihin mo, sa susunod, magsama ka ng marami. Alright, okay, so grabe ang energy ng Atomians, no? Bagyo lang yan, Atomians tayo. Tama ba? Yes, okay, so napakasarap talaga maging Atomian. Ayan, no? Grabe yung energy ni Ma'am. So, pagka-Atomian ka, iba talaga ang energy and energy can be transferred. So, make sure na dilat ang inyong mata all throughout. At yung katabi ninyo, dapat hindi yan nagdadasal habang nagle-lecture ako. Okay ba? Alright. So, ang atin pong Atomy business, we are equipped with what tool? With the power of Atomy products. Ayan. So with that, mag-start po tayo with our product introduction. So I'm assigned today to introduce to you some of our featured products. So Atomy promises us absolute quality products with absolute prices. So ibig sabihin po niyan, ma-enjoy natin ang mga products sa Atomy na pinakamataas ang quality at hindi nyo po ito mabibili sa ganung kababang presyo pag po yan ay available sa labas. Kaya always purchase your items from our online shopping malls. Okay, so the concept behind Atomy products, bakit tayo successful? Kasi in Atomy, it promises us that it will go above and beyond customer satisfaction. Bago natin makilala si Atomy, satisfied lang po tayo sa mga binibili natin. Di ba po? At meron lang tayong tinatawag na expenses. Kasi nilalaanan natin ng budget, yung mga daily necessity items. So Atomy may emphasize, it's not additional expenses, bagkus mag-switch lamang po tayo ng brand into a more healthier choice. So the concept behind is mastige. So this is formed by two words. Mass, ito po yung target consumers natin, yung mga products ni Atomy, pangmasa. It penetrates 100% of the market. Okay? So sino po ba ang hindi nagtutoothbrush? Hindi po ba? Or hindi naliligo? Sige, hindi nagtoothbrush, pero naliligo yan, definitely. And then, the word prestige or prestigious, meaning mataas po ang kalidad. So, mastige. Ayan. And then, when we are already Atomy members, di ba, registration is free and we will be given a user ID and password. Pag hindi ka nakalogin sa inyong, sa ating website, ang makikita natin ay SRP. But when we log in with the user ID and password, then we can already enjoy member price. Ayan. So napakadali pong i-navigate ng ating website and also the mobile app. It's also user-friendly, madali siyang gamitin. And you can see there the shopping mall and my office. Some of the features there are the CH Atomy and also the @G Mall. Okay, but let's focus on the tabs. Ayan, so iba-ibang mga product categories. We have household products, beauty products, health products, food, and more. Okay? But for today, we will be focusing on 3 featured Atomy products. Sino po ba dito ang gusto na maging maganda na at healthy pa at the same time? Diba? Lahat po tayo. Yan. Okay, so with that, let's first talk about the Atomy Inner Collagen. Ayan, diba? So, Available na naman po yan sa ating online shopping mall. But did you know na nabalitaan ko masu-sold out na naman siya anytime soon? Ayan, so anong magandang balita doon? Kasi po ang ating head office, they forecast the demand, but pag naging available na yung product, nagiging triple pa yung demand. So napakaganda po talaga ng mga products natin kasi talagang tinatangkilik po ng tao. And as Atomy Philippines continues to grow, ganyan din po ang mangyayari sa mga upcoming products na mailo-launch sa ating website. Okay, so ang atin pong Atomy Inner Collagen, before we dive deep into that, ano po ba talaga yung collagen? Okay, so collagen is one of the most abundant na structural protein sa ating katawan, 30%. And ang atin pong largest organ in our body, which is the skin, is made up of 70% of type 1 collagen. Ayan, ito po kasi ang nagsisilbi na building blocks ng atin pong skin, ng ating muscle, tissues, tendons, cartilage, and also other connective tissues. So more on dun sa going beyond sa aesthetic benefits na anti-aging ang collagen, it also helps our overall body support. Okay, so maraming available na collagen sa market. But why should we take the Atomy Inner Collagen? Kasi po, sa larangan, sa category ng collagen, ang pinaka-effective and ang pinakamaganda daw po is yun pong hydrolyzed na marine peptide collagen. And ang kagandahan po, ang ating collagen is made from 100% fish scales. O, diba po? So, yun palang collagen is mas maganda yung quality yung galing sa skin or sa kaliskis ng isda. Pero it doesn't mean na magpapapak na kayo ng kaliskis, okay? Mag-take na lang kayo ng Atomy Inner Collagen. Ayan. And also, ayan, dahil po ang molecular structure ng Atomy Inner Collagen is talagang maliit, 512 Dalton, ayan po, and marine peptide collagen na talagang same with the structure of our skin. Kaya po maganda at mas effective at mas mabilis ang absorption. Sa mga ibang collagen po kasi, it takes around 2 to 3 hours bago sila mag-effect. But with Atomy Inner Collagen, di ba, just a few minutes, it will do wonders in our bodies. Okay, so recognize po na ang collagen, it really enhances hydration in our skin. Also, anti-aging properties na mas mas nagiging less noticeable or nare-reduce yung mga wrinkles. And it will also really make our skin happy, healthy, and youthful looking. Ayan. In Korea po, nagkaroon po sila ng test ng 79 Korean women between the ages of 30 to 60 years old na talaga pong nag-take sila ng collagen for 4 months and talagang naging significant po ang improvement doon sa mga lines surrounding the eyes. Yun pong mga cheeks nila is talagang hindi na laylay, talagang nag-improve ang skin elasticity, pati na rin po yung mga malalalim na wrinkles, it also improved. Ayan, so ganyan ka-powerful ang Atomy Inner Collagen. Meron silang ginamit na tool, the Cotometer, para po i-measure kung talagang bumabaw ba yung mga fine lines na yan. And aside from that, sa mga aesthetic benefits, also maganda din po yung collagen para po ma-improve yung bone mass density. Lalo na po doon sa mga kababaihan na menopause na po. Ayan, so dapat nagtitake po tayo ng Atomy Inner Collagen. Ayan, so aside from the active ingredient of fish collagen peptide, meron pa po tayong mga additional supplementary ingredients. As you can see on screen, we have the hyaluronic acid. So ito po talaga is very, very good para po yung ating mga connective tissues is meron pong lubrication. And then elastic, elastin, making it more elastic, and then it can recoil easily para sa skin elasticity. And then ceramide, this one is responsible for moisture retention and to make sure na mapipigilan po yung tinatawag na germ entry. And then vitamin C, yan yung maganda sa collagen natin kasi meron siyang vitamin C which is very good in healing process. Ayan. Kasi po, ang vitamin C, it's very essential in the formation of our blood vessels, ng ating connective tissues, and so on and so forth. So if you are taking the Atomy Inner Collagen with the vitamin C, aba, mas lalo tayong babata at mas lalo po tayong magiging healthy. Ayan, sino na po ba ang nakapag-take ng Atomy Inner Collagen? Ayan, o diba madami-dami na rin. Kaya tingnan nyo po sila, youthful looking. Diba? Pag hindi pa, ibig sabihin kulang pa. Tama? Ayan, so i-add to cart nyo na po yan. Make sure to try it and also to share it to other people. Okay, so our second featured product is the Atomy Probiotics. Okay, so this one is halal certified. So what exactly is probiotics? Probiotics are live bacteria living in a healthy person's intestine, and when proper amount is taken, we will enjoy a positive health effect. Ayan. So tayo daw po ay 90% of bacteria. 10% human. Ayan, sabi ni Dr. Tordesillas before. And trillions of those bacteria ay talagang nasa loob po ng katawan natin. Majority is located in our gut. Ano ba yung gut? It's the gastrointestinal system. Ngayon po, dun po sa loob ng ating digestive system, there is an ecosystem of the good bacteria and the bad bacteria. So parehas po yan na nakatira sa ating digestive system. Ngayon, tayo po ay kumakain ng kung ano-anong mga pagkain, unhealthy lifestyle choices, 'di ba? So, ang nangyayari as we age also, mas dumadami po yung bilang ng bad bacteria kesa dun sa good bacteria or the lactobacilli. Okay? So pag po nangyari yon, dun na po nagmamanifest yung mga sakit and kung ano-ano pa pong mga discomfort. Ayan. So tandaan po natin, these are the 3 recognized functions of probiotics. Number 1, it will help increase helpful lactobacilli or the good bacteria. Kasi po yung mga lactobacilli, nagpo-produce po yan ng lactic acid at ginagawa niyang acidic ang environment ng ating digestive system para hindi makapag-thrive ang mga bad bacteria. Kasi yung bad bacteria ayaw nila sa acidic environment. And then number 2, it will restrain harmful bacteria. And then number 3, it will encourage and improve, ayan, smooth bowel activity. So meron po siguro dito sa ating seminar hall or maybe you know someone na nahihirapan dumumi or hindi regularly ang pagdumi or constipated. Ayan, so Atomy Probiotics is here to the rescue. Okay, so various lactobacilli and harmful bacteria is living inside us. And ang mga bata po, syempre, mas marami po yung good bacteria nila. 'Di ba kung ano-ano po yung mga ini-explore nila na isubo sa kanilang mga bibig, mga ballpen, lapis, hindi po ba? Pero ayun nga, habang nagkakaedad po tayo, mas nagiging at risk tayo sa pagdami ng bad bacteria. Ang tawag na po doon ay dysbiosis kasi hindi na po balanse ang ecosystem sa loob ng ating digestive system. And dahil po dyan, nagkakaroon ng mga manifestations katulad ng bad breath, ayan, bloating, constipation, diarrhea, irritated bowel syndrome. So ano po ang mga senyales na ang inyong digestive system is in danger? Okay, so number 1, we have digestive issues. Ayan yung makabag ang tiyan, ayan, bigla-biglang nagkakaroon ng diarrhea, bloating, 'di ba? Parang hindi ka natunawan. Number 2, weakened immunity. Wala ka namang allergy sa ganito pero bigla kang nakadevelop ng allergy. Or madali kang kapitan ng sakit. Sinisipon ka na kaagad, nilagnat ka na kaagad. Number 3, mental illness. Kasi po yung ating gut microbiome is also responsible sa signaling na nangyayari papunta po sa ating brain. Kaya po, if you are someone or you know someone na depressed, brain fog, senior moments, 'di ba? Madaling makalimot, ano nga ba 'yun? 'Di ba? Mabilis na mairita sa member niya. Ayan, so ibig sabihin, madami na yung bad bacteria. Mag-probiotics ka na. So pag mainit na yung ulo sa'yo ng member mo or sponsor mo, mag-ano po kayo, may ilalabas kang probiotics, okay? And then medication use. There are also people who are prescribed anti-inflammatory drugs, di po ba? Or siguro nagkasakit ka and you need to take antibiotics. So when we take antibiotics, hindi lang po yung mga viruses and bad bacteria ang pinapatay, but also the good bacteria. Ayan. And if you're also taking birth control pills, so ano din po, parang nanganganib din po yung ating gastrointestinal system. And then skin problems. Ayan. So acne, blemishes, and then dry ang skin, di ba po? And then may psoriasis and those who have rosacea and eczema. Ayan. And also, ayun nga, dun sa merong mga bad breath na kahit na anong consistent and persistent mo sa pag-toothpaste and toothbrush using Atomy Propolis, di ba? Pero nandun pa din yung bad breath. So, ibig sabihin, madami ng bad bacteria sa inyong digestive system. And then, kahit na anong gamit mo ng Absolute Set, di ba? Pero nandun pa rin yung skin problems, then you have to check your health, di ba? Hindi lang dapat aesthetically na presentable tayo. There may be something wrong with our digestive health. Ayan. So, ano po ba ang nakakasira ng ating digestive system? Yung mga bad bacteria, bakit ba sila nagtathrive at dumadami? Okay, so sabi dito, yung mga diet natin, kinakain natin, wala tayong kinakain na whole foods. Ibig sabihin, more on processed foods yung kinakain natin kasi nagmamadali ka, papunta sa center, meron ka pang appointments. Di ba, puro ka fast food, di ba? Kaya ang buhay fast na din. Number 2, lack of prebiotics in our diet. And then those people na excessive drinking of alcohol and smoking, hindi ka nga naninigarilyo pero exposed ka naman sa secondhand smoke, so wala ka pa rin kawala. And then those who are taking antibiotics, hindi nakakatulog ng maayos, not getting quality sleep. Hindi yung nakaidlip ka lang, di ba? Masandal tulog, hindi po counted yun. Dapat po quality sleep, di ba? And then too much stress. So some of the things here hindi natin makontrol, we cannot avoid, but what we can manage is that we have to supplement the needs of our body by taking Atomy supplements, lalo na itong Atomy Probiotics. So paano natin i-improve ang ating gastrointestinal health? We have to eat more prebiotic foods. Saan nakukuha yun? Saging, onions, legumes, asparagus. Number 2, consume more probiotics. So bago natin nakilala si Atomy Probiotics, di ba ang alam po natin is sa yogurt nakukuha or kimchi. Alam nyo ba kaya maganda rin yung skin ng Koreans? Kasi po they are taking kimchi which is rich in probiotics. Kaya yung ayaw mag-kimchi na tayo. Okay. Number 3, make time for quality sleep. Ayan. So, I know some of us are busy with work and then doing Atomy part-time, diba? But you will not get quality sleep if you will not give time. You have to make time for quality sleep. Number 4, reduce stress. Diba? So, how can you reduce stress? Diba? So, ano ka, mag-relax ka or maybe yoga, do yoga exercises. Number 5, eat foods rich in polyphenols like blueberries, red wine, and chocolate. Ayan, may go signal sa chocolate. But it should be dark chocolate. Okay, so why should we choose Atomy Probiotics Plus? Kasi po, hindi lang ito 1 or 2 types of live bacteria. This is consisted of 12 types of mixed lactobacilli and it's very easy to take. It's in powder form. Ayan, and these are some of the lactobacilli present. Ayan, so mas nagiging maganda po and they really work in synergy. Meron din silang synergy of united hearts sa loob ng ating digestive system. Ayan, and we also have sub-ingredients. It also includes apple, bananas, and strawberries. Kaya napakasarap po ng lasa ng ating probiotics. Even the kids will enjoy the Atomy probiotics. Ayan, so hindi lang po enough that we are taking probiotics. Kasi po, if we are continuing to take the lactobacilli good bacteria, pero hindi po maganda yung food intake digestion po natin is, din po, hindi rin healthy para sa ating katawan. Ayan, so ito pong ating may probiotics, it's recommended para kanino? Doon po sa may mga bad breath. Okay, pakiamoy po yung breath ng katabi ninyo. Kailangan na mag-probiotics. Ayan. And then yung mga tao na palaging nakaupo, yung mga work from home or working sa BPO industry or sa office. Ayan. And then those people who have a hard time digesting dairy products. Or pag umiinom ng milk or kumakain ng cheese, di ba, biglang nasisira yung tiyan. And then those who have irregular eating habits, and then those na constipated or mabilis na magkaroon ng diarrhea. So basically, Atomy Probiotics is for everybody. So, pwede ba magte-take tayong lahat ng probiotics? Yes, okay. So for our third featured product, ayan, this is the Atomy Finezyme. Kung yung atin pong Atomy Probiotics ay tinitake natin before meal, bago kumain ha, kasi pag nag-take ka ng probiotics after meal, di ba, it will make you gassy. So you have to take it before meal. And then what you should take after meal is the Atomy Finezyme. So ano ba yung Finezyme? Ang alam lang natin, ano siya, lasang pineapple. Diba? But this one, it's really a very great supplement. Bakit? Kasi this one will aid in the digestion of food and nutrient absorption. Ayan. So alam nyo po ba na pag kumakain po tayo, these are the certain period of time bago ito ma-digest. Ayan. So pag kumain ka ng salmon or fish, 40 minutes. Pag kumain ka ng salad or lettuce, 1 hour bago matunaw. Pag kumain ka ng manok, di ba? Kasi nga, lagi tayong may appointment on the go, fast food, manok na lang lagi. Lilipad na tayo. So 2 hours po bago po yan matunaw. At pag nagsangyupsal ka pa ng buong giliw, syempre, 5 hours. So sino guilty? Hindi ikaw yon, yung katabi mo. Di ba? Ayan. So ano ba kasi yung Finezyme? Para po siya sa metabolism. Ano ba yung metabolism? Ito po yung chemical reaction kung saan yung ating pagkain ay binibreakdown at kino-convert into energy. Diba? So isipin niyo kapag yung pagkain, hindi po yan natunaw sa tiyan natin, we will not continue the human or the life process that we are enjoying. Kailangan natin ng fuel or energy. So, eto pa, meron tayong table here. So, just a quick look. 'Di ba? Pagka nagsamgyupsal ka, nilagyan mo ng cheese, tapos may pork. So, ang tagal bago matunaw. Kailan mo pa siya ilalabas? Hindi po ba? Tapos, hindi ka pa kumakain ng food that is rich in fiber. So, you're not helping your digestive system. Also, pag tumungtong na tayo ng 20s, bumabagal na rin po ang ating enzyme production. Lalong-lalo na po yung mga matatanda na. Di po ba nahihirapan na silang tumunaw ng pagkain pero nagsasamgyupsal pa rin sila. So dapat mag-take sila ng Atomy Finezyme. Kasi this one will support the metabolic and the digestive enzymes and even aid yung atin pong mga food enzymes. Ayan po. So these are the product features. Ang Finezyme po, it consists of mga main ingredients po natin, 3 types of coenzymes. And then meron din itong kasama na supplementary ingredients of digestive enzymes. Ayan. And ang lasa po nito ay pineapple na may kasamang papaya extract. Ayan. Okay, so let's talk about the 3 main ingredients. We have the vitamin B1, this is the thiamine, and then the pantothenic acid, this is our B5, And then biotin is our vitamin B7. Bakit kailangan ng tatlong to? Itong tatlong to is what we call the coenzyme. Kasi po, yung mga metabolic and digestive enzyme, they cannot react on their own. Kailangan po, pinapartneran sila ng coenzyme. It's called an enzyme support. And then for our nutritional profile, makikita po ninyo, yung ating vitamin B1 thiamine, it already contains 100% of the daily recommended na intake kailangan po natin in one day. And then the pantothenic acid, vitamin B5, also 100%, and the biotin is 250%. Ganyan po ka-powerful yung isang sachet ng Finezyme. Ayan po, sa pagka kumakain po tayo, di ba, and hindi po maganda ang ating panunaw kasi kulang na ang enzyme or maybe you know someone tinanggalan na ng pancreas. Yes, we can still live without our pancreas, pero yung ating quality of life, syempre medyo nagsasuffer. Ayan, kapag po hindi yan maganda ang panunaw, ang nangyayari po is it will ferment inside our digestive system and mag-e-enter po uli ang mga toxins and bacteria sa ating bloodstream, polluting our bloodstream. Kaya po nagkakaroon ng mga inflammation, yung mga sakit-sakit, and also mental illness. Kaya napaka-importante po ng ating digestive system. We are what we eat and what we digest. Ayan, so ito po yung sabi ko kanina. Enzymes need coenzymes so that it will cause like a catalyst to kickstart our metabolism. And these are the supplementary ingredients that we have in Finezyme. Ayan, we have the amylase. This one will convert carbohydrates into glucose. So meron tayong energy. And then the protease, this one will convert proteins into amino acids. The lipase, this one will digest the fatty acids. And then we also have the cellulase, which will digest the dietary fibers. The lactase, which will digest milk. Doon din po ito sa mga tao na lactose intolerant, yung mga sensitive sa cheese and milk, pero umiinom pa rin ng milk. And then the bromelain, which digests protein. And ito pong bromelain na to also serves like a protein softener para po mas madaling matunaw at ma-burn yung kinain natin and convert it into energy. Ayan po. So yung atin pong Finezyme, pumapatak lang po ito yung isang sachet niya, 12 pesos and 50 cents. Diba? Ano ba naman yung 12 pesos and 50 cents? Kung ang kapalit naman po nito is magandang panunaw, diba, ng ating mga kinain. Ayan, so you only need to take 1 packet daily with or without water. Ayan po. So, I still have a lot to say sa ating amazing Atomy products. But of course, we have limited time. Kaya po talagang I encourage na lahat po tayo mag-attend ng mga ganitong klase ng seminars. Kasi dito po tayo natututo. Di ba po? Hindi mo magagawa ang negosyo na hindi mo na pag-aaralan. Of course, the best way for us to effectively share the products is for us to try it. Kailangan gamitin po muna natin. But it also adds to our skills, kumbaga sa ating power, if we know also the benefits behind each Atomy products. So I hope that everyone was able to learn more and you are more confident now to share about the products that we have discussed today. And ang atin pong knowledge, if you do not apply it, if you do not share it, para pong pagkain yan, hindi natin madadigest and magagamit na energy. So I hope everyone will be sharing Atomy products, the Finezyme Probiotics, and the Atomy Inner Collagen. Once again, I am Jane Hariol Manarinya, Diamond Master. I will see you all at the top.